Hello! In front of me I've got SONY Xperia 1 Mark III. In this video I'll show you how to use Incognito Mode in Google Maps. Firstly, go to Play Store and make sure Google Maps are updated to latest version. If they are, open Google Maps, tap button in the right corner, and if this function isn't available, reset your maps. And now open them again. Now we've got Turn on Incognito Mode available. Let's tap on it. And now you are incognito. To turn it off, again tap here and tap on this blue button. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.